Hello and welcome to The Seeking Soul. We are a family of three, Sudhanshu, Ankita and our dog Star, who were born, brought up and settled in the city life and decided to move to the mountains for next few years. We are currently living in a small village called Turtuk, which lies on the Indo-Pak border in the Ladakh region, where we are working as volunteer teachers with the NGO called Teach for Ladakh. The upcoming vlog is a small glimpse of our simple yet enriching lives in this beautiful and quaint village.
Our day begins with a visit to the gym. Yes, Turtuk might be a small remote village in the northernmost part of the country, but it has its own gym with all the modern equipments one can think of.
अब एक खास बात है, आपने मुर्गे की बांग पर सुबह उठना तो सुना होगा, लेकिन तुर्तुक गांव में आती है एक खास गधे के गाने की आवाज, जो सुबह सुबह देती है आपको एक मस्त ताजगी का एहसास।
For breakfast, we have learned to make kisir, that is pancakes prepared with buckwheat flour, which is a local dish. Given the climate conditions, buckwheat, also known as kutuka atta, is one of the few crops which grow very well here.
The school is about a 1.5 kilometers walk from our home to the other side of the village.
9:30 बज चुका है, लेकिन हम प्रिंसिपल मैम के घर पर आए हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पर वाईफाई है एंड वी स्टिल हैव हाफ एन आवर टू गो बिफोर द स्कूल स्टार्ट्स एट 10 और इस दौरान हम अपने जल्दी से वाईफाई पर ईमेल्स, व्हाट्सएप वगैरह जो भी है चीज़ें, वो इंटरनेट का अपना सारा काम आधे घंटे में जल्दी निपटाएंगे और फिर स्कूल जाएंगे।
While the school does have a building, the classes are currently being conducted in an open ground in the form of community classes, or as one might say, the Pathshala mode as per the guidelines of the administration due to the looming threat of the pandemic. Currently, we are having exams at the school.
Looking at this exam paper today and exam time, I am actually reminded of my school time. वो एग्जाम का टाइम जब वो एक्साइटमेंट, फियर, नर्वसनेस की फीलिंग्स होती थी।
मैम मैं ठीक है मैम, मैंने कहा नहीं दिख रहा है, आप मेरे पास आ जाओ, फिर चश्मा लगाओ ना। मुझे इतनी हंसी आई।
The lunch breaks are great fun, full of nice chit-chat with other teachers and some delicious food.
The people of Turtuk are one of the warmest and most hospitable people that we have ever met. Almost every other day, we get invited by someone or the other for a cup of tea and some delicious snacks at their homes. When we began this project, we started with an intention of not only teaching the kids, but as we have moved forward, हमने देखा कि there is so much more we can do even for the adults. And that's how we started these evening classes, where we are teaching basic and advanced computer skills to some adults of the village, including the teachers of the school.
The ingredients for our food mostly come from local orchards, which do not just have fresh vegetables but also yummy and juicy fresh seasonal fruits.
ये हमारा वेट वेस्ट है, इसको इसमें डाल देते हैं। ये सारा वेट वेस्ट यहाँ नीचे एक गाय रहती है, उसको खिलाते हैं, तो इट्स अगेन गेट्स रिसाइकिल्ड।
Our life in this village is quite basic and simple, but it's in this simplicity that we are learning to enjoy the true beauty and sacredness of life. It's a very interesting change from a high-speed city life where we took so many modern luxuries for granted to our current life where we are learning to embrace living with only the bare minimum that fulfills our basic needs and planning our lives around the constraints, if any. We are grateful for this opportunity to be able to give back to the society a part of what we have been lucky to be blessed with, while learning ourselves to slow down and experience life through little joys, one moment at a time.
If you like our videos, Do share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.